What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2025 Toyota Camry. This is the hybrid Camry. It has the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder motor as well as 2 electric motors. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement engine air filters if you're in need. So taking a look at our engine compartment, if we look on the driver's side, we see this item right here. This is the air box. This is what houses the engine air filter. There's 2 clips that we need to undo. One here and one right here. After those 2 clips are off, the top of this air box will slide slightly towards the rear of the vehicle, and then we can pick it up. Then after we pick it up, if we reach in here, we can pull out our engine air filter there. Now, before you put your new replacement filter in, it's a good idea to clean out the inside of the airbox. You can see the little dirt and debris that's in there. So if you grab a rag or even like a shop vac, get that as cleaned out as you can, and then we'll install our new replacement filter. And the filter will go in there in this orientation with that rubber gasket piece on the top. So put our new filter in there like that. Make sure it's sitting down in there where it needs to be. Then on this side of the airbox, you can see there's those 2 tabs that slide into those 2 notches like that. And then we can flip these 2 clips closed. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.